Good morning, everyone. Myself Tejasri, working as guest lecturer in physics. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic observables and expectation value of an observable. So, before that, let us briefly discuss what is an observable, observables and operators, then expectation values. So, what is an observable? So, observables are a very important part of physics and quantum mechanics. They are the things that can affect us in the physical world. The definition of an observable is any dynamic variable that can be physically measured, which means any variable which can be measured physically can be represented as an observable. So we are considering an example. Amount of energy of a particle have been measured by an appropriate means, which means here we are calculating the energy for that particular particle. Therefore, this energy we are considering it as an observable. Essentially, anything that can be measured is an observable, including momentum, position, energy, angular momentum, etc. So, one of the fundamental assumptions of quantum mechanics is that every observable corresponds to a linear Hermitian operator. This has very important consequences as it enables us to use these operators and the mathematical properties to find information about their corresponding observables. This is the important link between the mathematics of quantum theory and the physical world. Therefore, anything we can measure has a corresponding mathematical object, and applying this object to the wave function gives a new wave function, which means when we apply any certain operator, which is nothing but according to the fundamental assumption of quantum mechanics, so we are considering every observables to the linear Hermitian operator. So therefore, if we observe any operator to the particular wave function, in result we get the new wave function, which means it can be represented as a psi is equal to psi star. Here A is an operator, we are applying it to the wave function psi. In result we are getting a new function psi dash. Therefore, anything we can measure has a corresponding mathematical object, and applying this object to a wave function gives a new wave function psi dash. In some cases, this new function will be very closely related to the original function psi. It may also appear to be completely different. Whatever the resulting function, it contains some information about the observable representing a cap and the possible values it can take. Expectation values. So this concept expectation value we have already discussed in one of our previous classes. So in the concept wave functions in momentum and coordinate representation. So in the concept wave functions in momentum and coordinate representation, we have already discussed or included this expectation value concept, and we represented those momentum and coordinates in the expectation form. Therefore, in that expectation value, once you refer it, which we detailed explanation. So now here let us briefly discuss about these expectation values. So the expectation value of an operator is the mean or average value of its corresponding observable. It is an important part of quantum mechanics as it is one of the main link between quantum mechanics and classical physics. So overall, this expectation value is nothing but the average value of its corresponding observables. So for this average variable, why we need certain average value for that particular observable. So these are explained in those topic. So once refer it. So in those topic we have considered three systems. So three identical systems, and each system when we calculate certain position, it gave different position values. So in order to find that exact specified solution to the solution or result, so we made average of that all the identical systems of the positions, and we can finally get a desired position value by using this expectation value concept. So finding the expectation value of an operator, we first define the complex conjugate of a wave function psi to be the function which has minus I, replacing it all in the instance of I in the equation. This is the same definition as for any complex variable. If z equal to a plus ib, then z star equal to a minus ib. So according to the Hermitian operators, we represented everything in the form of vectors. So in the form of complex numbers with column representation form. So in the concept of Hermitian operators, So let's see. So since we are considering the complex numbers, suppose if z is equal to a plus ib, then its conjugate form is z minus ab, ib, which means we are applying this negative symbol to this I form. So to find the expectation value of an operator, we sum the complex conjugate of the wave function multiplied by the operator acting on the wave function at every point in space, which means here we are applying the summation form. So inside the summation form, the sum product is taking place for that, which means the expectation value under the sum form is used to calculate that particular wave function acting on the operator at every point. It means at certain point. Whereas if we are calculating this wave function psi, where if we consider the wave function, if we consider this wave function psi is a continuous function, then the sum becomes an integral in the infinite limit. So the operator a cap, the expectation value of a with respect to the wave function psi is expectation value of a is equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity psi star a cap psi into dx. So in fact, the expectation value of any function f of x can be determined by placing f of x between the wave function and its conjugate and integrating all our space as above, which means we are saying that for any function or any state we can calculate the expectation value can be determined. So we are placing that particular function, we are considering f of x, and we are placing that f of x between the wave function psi and its conjugate form psi star. We are placing that f of x in between and we are integrating all over this place. We can finally get the expectation value. So this is about and observables and operators and certain and its expectation values. Thank you.